Hello students, this video contains the short answers of chapter 7 class 10 the history Quit India movement. In the exercise there are 13 questions, but the first 5 questions are not included in the syllabus. They are typed in red color. You can leave it, but the remaining questions from 6 to 13 you have to learn. Let's start the first question. Under what condition the Congress proposed to support Britain during the Second World War? Why did the Congress ministries resign in 1939? The Congress was prepared to lend support to Britain in the Second World War on the condition that India was declared an independent state. The Congress ministries resigned in October 1939 when the Viceroy, without consulting the Indians, declared that India was at war with Germany during the Second World War. Second question. What was the reaction of the British government and Muslim League to the resignation of Congress ministries in 1939? The British government was happy regarding the resignation because the Congress ministries had controlled several provinces. The Muslim League was jubilant over the resignation of Congress ministries and offered its friendship to the British government. Third question. Give any two salient features of August offer. Two salient features of August offer are: first one, after the war, a representative Indian body would be set up to frame a constitution for India. Second, the Viceroy's executive council would be expanded without any delay. Fourth question. Why was August offer rejected by Congress as well as Muslim League? The Congress rejected the offer because they felt that there was no time limit within which the constitution making body was to be set up. The Muslim League did not accept the offer as it did not give a clear assurance for the establishment of Pakistan. Fifth question. What reasons did the Muslim League put forward for the creation of two independent nations? Reasons for the demand for two independent nations. First one, Jinnah and other leaders of the League proclaimed that Muslims could not expect any justice from Congress. Second, Jinnah proclaimed that the division of India into two autonomous states was the only solution to the Indian problem. Sixth question. Why was the Crips mission sent to India? The Crips mission was sent to India to consult the Indian leaders on the question of the transfer of power and to solve the problem of Indian constitution. Seventh question. How was the constitution making body to be constituted according to the Crips proposals of 1942? A constituent assembly would be set up. It would consist of the members elected by the lower house of the Indian legislature and the representatives of the princely states nominated by their rulers. Eighth question. Which point in the Crips offer was against the unity of the nation? The provinces would be free to join the Indian Union. If they would not join to the Indian Federation, they would formulate their own constitution, which would have the same status as the Union of India. Ninth question. Why did the people of the princely states oppose the Crips mission? What kind of status was promised to India after the war by Sir Stafford Cripps? The people of the princely states opposed the Crips mission because they had no right to send their representatives to the proposed constitution-making body. A dominion status was promised to India when the war would end. 10th question. What did the Congress think of the threat of a Japanese attack on India in 1942? The Congress felt that the British presence in India was an invitation to Japan to invade India and that their withdrawal would remove the bait. 11th question. What was meant by Quit India movement? Quit India movement was a movement launched by the Indian National Congress in 1942, calling upon the British to hand over power to the Indians and quit the country. 12th question. Name a prominent person who played an important role in the Quit India movement. Mention any two activities people undertook as a part of the Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi played an important role in the Quit India movement. The activities of the people during the Quit India movement are: people held strikes and hartals in various parts of the country. Second, they attacked the symbols of the British authorities like police stations, post office and railway stations. 13th question. How did the Quit India movement show that the national feelings had become too deep-rooted? People from all walks of life took part in the Quit India movement. It was like a mass revolt in which Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and even Christians took part. Students, teachers, lawyers, workers, peasants and even women took part in the processions and demonstrations. Thank you.